The Cycle Use Colors tool can be a fun tool to use in multicolor designs where the colors used are not critical to the design appearance. So this tool applies to the entire design and no selection is required. Here we have a simple design. I just have numbers 1 through 7, and you can see that they're sequenced 1 through 7. And you can see that also the numbers match the colors down here. So the number 1 is object 1 here, and it's color 1 here. So let's see what happens when we apply Cycle Use Colors. 1 is still 1 here, and look, it's still color number 1 now, here too. But now all the colors have cycled. So the previous number 1 color has shifted 1 slot to the right, and the last used color has been moved to the front. Watch that again. I'll cycle Use Colors, and I'll do it again. Notice that I have 4 colors that aren't used. It's because it's cycling used colors. So you can keep doing this until you get back to your original color. Now in a design like this, it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. But what if we have a design like this? I'll click Cycle Use Colors, and we get something funky like that. Now in a design like this, it still doesn't look bad. It just looks artsy. But if you have a realistically digitized design and the colors are very important to how it looks, this might not be the right tool to use. So let's go over some key points. If there are any additional unused colors on the Design Colors bar, they remain unused. They don't get cycled in. Color 1 on the Design Colors bar may not be the first color in the design. So just because it was in that first design we looked at with the numbers, it's not always that way. These numbers do not always match up with the color sequence over here. We can see on this one, color number 4 is the first color. Cycle Use Colors does require a design that uses more than 1 color. So it's not how many colors are on your colors bar, it's how many are used. If your design only uses 1 color, then that tool will be grayed out.